vast fields and hillsides, weeding efficiency is crucial. Home off-road remote control lawnmower is a magic weapon for weeding. It is equipped with a high horsepower engine, which makes a roaring sound when running and has endless power. It adopts the technology of flail hardware shredding, and the blade rotates at high speed. Wherever it goes, the stubborn small shrubs and the messy small trees on the ground are instantly cut and crushed without entanglement. It is even better when climbing slopes. With its superpower, it can climb a large 80 slopes steadily and weed easily. 6 acres of land can be swept in 1 hour. The operator holds the remote control and gives commands leisurely. He is not afraid of the heat and does not feel tired even after working in high temperature for a long time. The efficiency is far higher than that of manual labor, and safety hazards are kept out.